Hi, I'm Richard Bucheri from Poynter Bucheri Injury Attorneys, and today I want to answer the question, when should I settle my case? So when we're talking about settlement timelines, oftentimes people will call me and they will say, hey, it's been several months and the insurance company hasn't talked to me about settlement, or what is taking so long. And really, when we're talking about a settlement timeline, it's not really a matter of how long it's been since the accident. The question is, are you ready and do you have enough information to settle your case? So the one thing that I always tell people is that it is very, very important to be patient, because you only have one chance to settle your case. If you settle your case, then generally speaking, you don't get any money afterwards. So if you are hurt and then something re-aggravates months after you have settled your case, you're not going to be able to go back to the insurance company and say, hey, I'm still having problems, you need to give me more money. Because once they settle your case, they're going to probably have you sign a release that says, hey, we're done. So you need to have a full understanding of the full extent of your injuries before you even begin to enter in negotiations. So oftentimes, when I'm dealing with my clients, I say, you need to be done treating, and the doctor says that you are back to normal, or the doctor says, we've done all we can and this is as good as you're going to get. Then at that point, you know the full extent of your injuries, and then you can properly be able to evaluate your claim. And so that's when your settlement timeline would really start going into action, is once you have an idea of getting your full medical bills, your full medical records, and putting together a narrative, then you're in the position to make a demand, and then the negotiations begin. Be wary of tort claim deadlines and statute of limitations, however. So while some people may be treating from an accident for years, you still need to observe certain deadlines that need to occur. If it's a city or state entity that was involved, then there's probably a tort claim notice that needs to be filed fairly quickly. The statute of limitations in Indiana is 2 years to file against a defendant, so you'll need to file the lawsuit or file the claim to preserve your claim within 2 years of the date of accident. But that doesn't mean that the case has to be settled in 2 years. And oftentimes, in cases of serious injury, it takes much longer than that. The advice that I give everybody that I deal with in my practice is, be patient, because you only have this one chance. Generally speaking, the people that are patient are more fairly compensated, and the people that are in a hurry and just want to get done don't do as well as far as compensation.